Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and connected because network drops interrupt account changes. Next, make sure you know the exact Google account you want to use. Type the email now so you don't pause later. Open Google Pay. If it prompts for sign-in, complete that step. Once done, grant permissions for contacts and payments when asked. These let Google Pay verify accounts and show cards. This prevents errors during the switch and saves time when you move to account selection. You now go to your profile icon, then Settings, then Accounts. This is where Google Pay lists signed in profiles. Select the account you want to switch to. If it's not there, tap Add Account and follow the Google sign-in flow. Make sure to complete any two-step verification or one-time passcodes. This confirms identity and enables payment methods to appear. After sign-in, allow the app to sync. Do not close the app while it updates, because incomplete sync can hide cards or settings. Finish by checking payment methods and default billing address to ensure the new account has the correct cards and info. This prevents declined transactions. If everything migrated, you can remove the old Google account from the app or device. Do that only after confirming passes and transit cards moved. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, restart your phone, and sign in again. That fixes most sync errors. If problems persist, contact Google Pay support with specific error messages for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.